I would give this training a 10. So many trainings I've been to in the past are great on the surface. You spend a couple of days in a room together, you learn all these amazing new things, and then you get out into the field and actually do the thing and realize you don't know what you're doing or you've forgotten everything that you learned 6 months ago. What I really loved about the Collectiv training was a real focused on applied learning. And so everybody who was involved got some great experience in actually using the product and actually encountering the things that they didn't know and being able to learn from that. I am the Enterprise Business Data Strategist for the City of Boise, and a big part of my role is to infuse the mayor's strategic initiatives with data to help us get better impacts for our community. My background was working much more with another data visualization and dashboarding tool called Tableau, but the City of Boise uses Power BI, which is a really powerful tool as well. And so I've had the opportunity to use it somewhat in my job, but was always self-taught. So this training was really impactful because it was able to bring to light some best practices that I would have never found out by just perusing the internet for tips and tricks. We did 2 days of sort of a traditional training format in a classroom with a teacher, but the last 2 days were all applied work where the participants had projects that they were working on with close supervision and help from the trainer. I was really pleased with the trainer that we had. I think what's often forgotten in trainings is that teaching is a real skill too. So he not only had the chops when it came to Power BI, but understanding how to teach and how to keep people involved and make it a positive learning experience. What I loved about the training is it was really infused with lots of practical tips and tricks that were helpful. One of them that came to mind was the 4x4 rule, this idea that you shouldn't have more than 4 visuals on a page of a report and not more than 4 pages on a report. And I thought that was just so useful for the analysts in our organization. I was also really impressed with a lot of the tips and tricks they had about improving the performance of your dashboard or report. That's a problem I've had in the past where I build this wonderful, amazing report and it takes 5 minutes to load and it's not responsive. So things like creating measures instead of doing calculations within a visualization was really, really helpful to the user experience for the folks who are looking at the reports that we're creating. And the other advantage is it allowed me to show value for the training to city leadership, because when we left the training, we had 4 really great reports that folks were impressed by and showed really the potential of using Power BI at a higher level. The City of Boise is facing really complex challenges, things like housing affordability and climate action. And all of those are things that require really good data and easy access to data to do well, to respond to those issues. So I'm really excited about using this tool as a way to get more and better data into the hands of our decision makers so that we can really make an impact in the community.